So we're going to show in a little bit that a key concept in this discussion about pricing is something called price elasticity of demand. This section of notes is going to start talking about what we mean by price elasticity of demand. Again, its usefulness, I hope, will become apparent in just a few minutes. So it's important because price elasticity of demand determines marginal revenue. We showed earlier that marginal revenue and marginal cost are two key pieces of information that determine whether or not the firm is producing the quantity that maximizes profit. So since marginal revenue is important, that means price elasticity of demand is going to be important as well. The price elasticity of demand is the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price when demand is constant. It measures the responsiveness of consumers to a change in price. My picture here shows a rubber band. The more elastic the demand, the more give there is. The less elastic demand, the less give there is. From the law of demand, we know that an increase in price will reduce the quantity demanded. Elasticity measures whether the increase is big or small. As consumer responsiveness increases, the elasticity moves further from zero. Let's calculate the elasticity of demand if the quantity demanded falls by 8% when the price increases by 4%, all else equal. The price elasticity is the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price. So we take minus 8% divided by 4% to get minus 2. Since the elasticity is always negative, we usually talk about its absolute value. If the elasticity is minus 2, economists usually drop the negative sign and say that the elasticity is 2. In a similar fashion, we talk about the percentage changes while ignoring that one of the changes is negative. For example, if a 2% increase in price resulted in an 8% decrease in the quantity demanded, we say that the percentage change in the quantity demanded is greater than the percentage change in price, even though minus 8 is actually less than 2%. To avoid confusion, my lecture in the notes will refer to absolute values of percentage changes and elasticities, so I want to be clear that I'm talking about positive values because I'm talking about absolute values. Now, what's the relationship? We have a simple equation. Marginal revenue is simply price times, parentheses, 1 minus the reciprocal of the absolute value of price elasticity. Suppose the absolute value of price elasticity is 2 and the price charged by a firm is 50. We can plug that in. It's price times whatever, 1 minus the absolute value of E. The price is 50. The absolute value of elasticity is 2. So we plug that in there and we're going to get 50 times parentheses 1 minus 1 over 2, which is 50 times 1/2, which is 25. When the price elasticity is 2 and price is 50, marginal revenue is going to be 25.